Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Chris Beauchamp. I'm a mobile engineer and also the developer evangelist with Key Cloud. And we're happy to be one of the sponsors here today. And we're looking forward to seeing what you guys can build. Starting with the good stuff, what we're giving away. It was already mentioned, but the best applications that use Key Cloud, first prize gets $2,000 cash money. Can't beat that. Also gets 1 year free Key Cloud service. Second prize gets $1,500 cash and 6 months free service. And finally, third prize gets $1,000 cash and 3 months service. So we wish you guys the best of luck. Hopefully, you're thinking, all right, what is Key Cloud? And how can I integrate it with my app? So what we're doing with Key Cloud is essentially removing the need for applications to have server infrastructures of any kind. We know that creating server code is a hassle. We know it's really, really tough. We know it's at least time consuming. So this is especially true for small teams such as yourselves, and even for larger teams who might want to allocate their resources to focus more on the client side, to iterate quickly, to build out new features, and to fix bugs. So as an app developer myself, I know you guys have it hard enough. So we at Key, we're kind of taking all of the common server functionality and making it reusable through client SDKs. So right now, we currently have 3 SDKs available. We have iOS, Android, and HTML5 or JavaScript. And we also have REST APIs available as well for anybody who wants to venture outside of these core platforms. And what these client SDKs really do is give you the time to focus on your app and worry less about the server infrastructure behind it. So here's a quick overview of some of the basic functionality that Key Cloud provides. Let's start with user management and data management. So user management can include things such as user registration, user authentication, creating profiles, managing accounts. Now all these things can be done through a client SDK. You don't have to worry about any of the server stuff. And it's all very, very simple. You can generally do it with only a couple lines of client code. So data management, it includes file storage, so you can upload, download files. You can also share them publicly if you wish. And we also have what we call object storage, which is essentially JSON storage for your mobile application. So anything that you can load into JSON, like an array, a dictionary, strings, numbers, anything like that, you can throw it at our backend. And one of the great features about this object storage is that it's all queryable. And it's also schemaless. So you don't have to worry about any kind of iterations. You don't have to worry about any migrations. You just do it on the fly so you can iterate nice and quick. So here's a couple code examples. They might be tough to see. But we just wanted to highlight how easy it is to get this up and running in your application. It's truly only a few lines of client code to create objects, store them in the cloud. Also have this deck available, and you can check out our documentation online. And we've got a lot of guides that can help you through this process, and you can also see how easy it really is. So one of the great things about what we're doing at Key is that it's vastly scalable and very, very reliable. So we've been working with Docomo, who's a Japanese carrier, for a number of years. And we're bringing this carrier-grade software and this carrier-grade infrastructure out to mobile developers such as yourselves. So our cloud has just recently been released to the public, and we've got about 25 million users on it. So let us take care of all the hard server parts, and you guys worry about building awesome applications. So just to recap, Key Cloud lets you build a mobile app with a full backend in a fraction of the time that it would usually take. We give tons of functionality right out of the box, and you don't have to worry about any kind of scaling or infrastructure because it's all on us. And best of all, it's free to get started. So good luck today, guys. We've got a booth in the back, and we've got a bunch of Key members wandering around in black polos. So definitely let us know if you have any questions. And check us out at developer.key.com if you want to get started. Thank you.